Hi friends, this is Preeti. Today I am going to discuss about hepatitis B vaccine. So first of all, what is a vaccine? A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular disease. It means we are providing immunity to a person by giving a vaccination, so that the person produces antibodies against that antigen present in the vaccine and acquires the immunity. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles disease-causing microorganisms. It is often made from weakened or killed forms of the microbe or its toxins or one of its surface proteins. So by using these forms, we will prepare a vaccine. Hepatitis is the inflammation of the liver that is caused by virus. There are 5 types of viral hepatitis: A, B, C, D and E. A is transmitted through contaminated food and water, and it is preventable with hepatitis A vaccine. And B is transmitted through blood and unprotected sex. It can also be prevented by hepatitis B vaccine. C is transmitted through blood and unprotected sex, but there is no vaccine available for hepatitis C virus. And D is transmitted through blood and unprotected sex. So infection only occurs if the patient is suffering with hepatitis B. It can be prevented with hepatitis B vaccine. And E is transmitted through contaminated food and water, and for this also vaccine is available. So here A and E are transmitted through contaminated food and water, and B, C, D are transmitted through blood and unprotected sex. And there is no vaccine available for hepatitis C virus. This is the structure of hepatitis B virus. So here we can see hepatitis B antigen and surface proteins. These are the proteins which are used in the preparation of vaccine. Here we can see the double-stranded DNA, and this is the hepatitis B core antigen, and this is the DNA polymerase. So DNA polymerase is nothing but it adds a new nucleotides to the DNA. So the function of DNA polymerase is adding a new nucleotides. And the next one is application of rDNA technology and genetic engineering. So first we have to isolate the HB antigen producing gene, and then we have to isolate the plasmid from the bacterium, and then we have to cut this both with the same restriction enzyme, and this antigen is introduced into the DNA, means plasmid DNA. So we call it as recombinant DNA. They are joined using DNA ligase. Then this recombinant DNA is introduced into the yeast cell. In insulin, we introduced it into the E. coli, but for hepatitis B vaccine, we introduced it into yeast cell. Then we'll add them into the fermentation tank for the more multiplication. So recombinant yeast cell multiplying and producing HB antigen in fermentation tank. Then extraction and purification of HB vaccine. So this is the HB vaccine. This can be given to the newborns. Thank you.